Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you haven't noticed yet, brows are missing again, so that means another brow product that we are trying out today. So I was just walking through CVS the other day and this product caught my eye, and it was funny because as soon as I purchased it, I saw a commercial for it after that. So it's kind of weird how things like that happen. This is from Maybelline and it's the new brow extension pencil, or it's like a chubby stick essentially. It is a brow extension for naturally thick looking brows, and it's like hair-like fibers that add to your hairs that give you fluffy brows, and it gives you a naturally thick brow look. And it is just a fiber-packed pomade crayon, and the how-to is to use short upward strokes along brow, build to fill. And pro tip for a blended look, brush through brow with spoolie. So it sounds like it's very similar to the type of technique I use for my brows already, where I generally take an angled brush, dip it in some MAC eyeshadow, and I do these like upward little strokes to kind of give me those faux brow hair. We shall see how this goes. I am really interested to see what it means when it's like adds hair-like fibers. I'm always down for a naturally thick brow situation. You guys know that. And so if I can get a fluffy brow and almost get a more fluffy brows because of these hair-like fibers with just one product, I'm really interested. The only thing is I'm wondering if I'm going to like it because it's kind of like a chubby stick, and I'm not gonna get as like defined a look as I'm used to with the angled. But hey, maybe it's going to give me a different kind of fluffy look that I'm really going to enjoy. I am using the color 262, which is the black brown. Okay, so here it is, the brow extension. And yep, it looks just kind of like a thick pomade crayon is what they're calling it. So here goes nothing. Let's see what happens. I am just going to go right in, but I'm just going to do these like little brow strokes and see what happens. So I was definitely right. It's not giving me that super defined brushstroke look that I usually do, because obviously it's just not a super defined product, but I do feel like it is filling in nicely. It is filling in very naturally. I don't know what the fibers they're talking about. I'm not seeing any of that yet. You could see the difference between this one and this one. And I think when it's saying about like the hair-like fibers, I'm not really seeing a ton of that yet. I think what I'm definitely getting is the pomade is catching onto my natural brow hairs. So it's almost like filling in brow gel all in one. That does look very natural. Okay. Okay, so it definitely gives me a very, very natural filled in vibe. The normal way of how I usually fill in my brows with the eyeshadow and the angled brush are very defined brow stroke hairs, and it's almost like I'm faking a microbladed look. But this, I'm actually really enjoying. Like, it is a very, very natural, fluffy look, and it does take a little bit of work. It's not going to be this like intense color for a eyeshadow or something that you're using to fill in. It's gonna be like boom, instant color payoff, where this is something where you like build and you build into the fill that you like. But it is really cool. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are little tiny fibers that it creates once I was working it into my brow, like I don't know if you could see they're like little tiny like fuzzy spikies. I almost feel like it in eyebrow pencil and brow gel in one, because it is darkening and filling in my brows, but it also feels like there is brow gel in my brows to fluff them up. I am going to use a spoolie just to brush them out to see if I like that look better. But yes, it feels like there is for sure some brow gel in my brows, and I like that it kind of helps my brows naturally stay floofy. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more. Okay, so I'm actually really liking how natural and fluffy they are making my brows look. Okay, brushing them through with a spoolie definitely makes them a little bit softer, which is good. But okay, I am impressed. I really wasn't sure that I was going to enjoy this product because I definitely think I'm more of like a defined brow person, and you really can't have that super defined look here. Highly recommend that you listen to the directions and do these upward strokes, almost like exaggerating just the direction of where your brow hairs naturally grow, and it just helps fill in, darken, it adds a little bit of a gel and fiber onto your natural brow hairs. But I really do think it gives me this like super natural fluffy brow. So it totally does do what it says. That's always super exciting. But this is going to be a different thing for me to add into my routine, because I think that my makeup has been a little bit more natural. I know a lot of you guys are laughing at me because this is probably way more high maintenance than a lot of you guys like to do, but this is a step down from what I usually do, because I usually rock the full face of makeup, but my makeup routine has definitely chilled down a little bit because we're always wearing face masks, and I just want to keep my skin as fresh as possible. And I just do some nice like eyes and lashes and brows to kind of like still be fierce in my mask, you know? All right, this is a really cool product. I am impressed by it. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but this is going to be a easy addition when I'm looking for super chill, easy to do brows, because it's just one product and then spoolie it out and that's it. And it gives you natural fluffy brows, which we are all looking for, I'm sure. Give this product a try if you're interested in something like this. I've never seen a product like this, and I honestly didn't think I was gonna like it, but I really like the vibe it's giving me. All right, I'll be sure to link this in the description box below for you to check out yourselves. And please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions for me, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you're notified as soon as I post my next video. And as always, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.